I ordered some more paints, and on the page where I ordered, it's cute box, and on the I ordered these Goya watercolors because they are good watercolors. I tried them. What is this? Tell me please if you know, because I think this goes like this. And then what you keep here, I don't have idea. Never mind. So on the page, and this one, on the page they ask me, will I pay €1 more and to get some gift, surprise gift. And I said yes, and I get this. This is a gift. So I opened this, and on my surprise, for €1, that is few cents more than $1, here are the watercolors in tubes. And I know that is not some great company, it is Nassau. And I know that this is not so high quality. It says Nassau Fine Art, but please, for me who don't know what to do with watercolors, this is great. So I'm so happy because I take this deal, and that is fabulous. I'm so happy. So we will try, and I want to show you because this is from Goya, half pounds, and that is from Van Gogh, and or Van Gogh, and people are telling that these pens are loose inside, the original. I hardly put this inside. I must push with my leg. So how hard they come in. For one, I think this green, I need to take this nail polish and scratch the bottom part because it didn't want to go inside. And so I was really happy because they are not loose. This Goya, they are not loose in this Van Gogh box. So here it is. This is a darker green. What I ordered, look, it can go inside. I must push with my leg, with my foot. So this one we'll put on side for now, and let's see how these colors look. I will use this brush for them. So it's a little bit of water here. Let's see, first yellow. Now this reddish. Wow. Do we have something here? Now this green. It's called sap green. Here you go. Oh, this green is cute. And now this yellow ochre, I can push it through. Let's see how it's go with this. Yes, that is yellow ochre. So this is my mini haul with this Nassau swatching. Thank you for watching. Bye.